So, how many of you here being not having clarity in your sometime feeling too much, what we say, depressed or not having clarity in your life? Tap it down, see in the chat box. Awesome, great, thank you. How many of you here have the bullshit beliefs of taking action? What if we don't work? What if I fail? What if I really quit? Or what if I make mistake in everyone? Tap it on me in the chat box, let me see. Yes, Akash, Santna, Rami Priya. Yes, we all have that bullshit beliefs, and the same it was having to me. But today I will going to break through it. So, hi, my name is Anna Hamulani. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I am a CI Gold member of CI community and artist and public speaker. So I thank each and everyone for coming up and showing up for this community meetup and giving your valuable time. And thank you so much, CI community and Kirtan sir, for giving me this amazing opportunity. Before starting this, can I share my little bit about myself? Type it down yes in the chat box. Awesome, great. Thank you. So as we all know, there was Corona time, and that was a really bad time for each and every one of us. Same true, I was going to, because that time I was not able to connect with everyone. Having totally introvert person, sitting in the four wall, having no direction and just clueless. So I was facing lot of challenges and even got into deep depressions mood. But I found that I can do something, and then I started doing things. And do you know what? I just completed my 12th standard, and having sitting at home, it is really, really bad thing, because if you're not doing at home and sitting at home, it is really feel useless thing. I was not having any direction, but a hope to do something. Then one day I found the CI community. Because of this CI community, I found that CI community is the really magical world which gives the power to the people to speak out, to come out. And that's why I found, and so I enrolled for this community meetup. Then I enrolled this community meetup, and then I started doing foundation journey. I completed my 7 days foundation journey, and that 7 days was a really major changing thing for me. I saw really major thing. So how many of you here have completed your foundation journey? Tap it down me in the chat box. Yes, we can see Gautami, Janvi, Sadhna, Rami, Priya. Awesome, great. So I was going with my journey. I understand the value of a skill and value of yourself. Because if you don't create value, no one is going to value yourself. Firstly, you have to create value of you. Then I enrolled for the success ready journey and started building my skill. Can you have any guesses how much one-to-one connection I have been done? This is a surprise for you. Can you type it down? How much one-to-one connection I have been done? Just type it down. Let me see. Just a guesswork. Let me see. 40 to 100. Great, great. Nearby, nearby. Some have been seen the answer in the slide itself. Okay, no worries. I will reveal it now. Okay. So I have done 187 one-to-one connection in this CI community people. Can you imagine the girl who was totally introvert person and not talking to anyone, but started? How this is looking like amazing. When I started, I had not think also that I will be reaching this thing. But the thing is that first I was having bullshit beliefs, and I start breaking that bullshit beliefs with the all of power of my communication. I started building one-to-one communication with one by one. Now, how many of you here will break your bullshit belief and start connecting with people? Tap it down me in the chat box. Let me see. Yes, Sadhana, Gautami, yes. Awesome. That's a really nice energy. I'm loving this energy in the chat box. When I completed, I have documented this in my CI map, that you will understand what is this in the CI community. Then I started doing public speaking. You can see I have done 1,170 people impact. But when I started, I was having whole bullshit beliefs. And you can see this much. You will see, wow. But back of this achievements and success, there is always struggle to you fight, struggle, fight, and your hard work. You will get lot and lots of no. When I was going to this journey, I literally get no from my own school itself. Can you imagine which school I studied? That principal only said no for the doing public speaking opportunity. But I say no stands for next opportunity. Type it down and O in the chat box. No always stands for next opportunity. You just have to find the next opportunity to do more and more things. Then I get it more and more. Again, it came because universe is testing you in all form of yourself. It will come in all areas of your life to test you. Are you capable to go in your next orbit? So first, when I joined this community in the starting, I made my first video in this CI community, and that was also one more universe test that are no light. Then do I take a courage and create my first video, how I was creating, and now how I am creating now. I don't want one connection, and with that one-to-one connection, I done 3 podcasts. And those who are artists here, they can know. Those who are artists, they all are artists which I have done. This is art series podcast. Then I started building new things, new projects, and this is the lesson which I get to with the stories. That is, all power is within you. You just have to bring it out. Whatever energy that it is all within you, just have to identify it and bring it out, and that is your strong power and your strength. So tap it down, power in the chat box. Tap it down, power, power, power. Awesome. Thank you so much for engaging over here. Then I built my communication all 20 projects, and I'm communication skill champion. And further that, I started building my skill, design skill. Are you ready to see design skill? Tap it down, ready. I started building my social media platform. The girl who was totally introverted, not at all on the social media. Not even YouTube, Instagram. I was not having even Instagram. Not allowed because we have that, right? But after coming to CI community, I break all the limited beliefs and started building LinkedIn account and Instagram, then even my YouTube channel. And everyone started, even the thing I have to share, small thing. If you take action, some will inspire with your action and take action. The thing is that when I started my Instagram story by Instagram channel, after that, my uncle's wife, she's an auntie, she inspired by my what we say, my actions, and she also started her Instagram channel. She even not share her face, but she started and making video on it. So that is a really inspiring thing, that with my action, everyone is taking action. This is design skill. I started doing one by one projects, one by one, doing many more things, creating projects in design skill, doing posters, creating Illustrator, Photoshop, video editing, all the things one by one, using AI for creating different videos, for even your videos, and lot many more things. So I started doing the projects. This is the lead magnet which I created for KP brand, that is Keaton Sir's brand. Then I started creating this poster, then Tira ma'am's project, and even now I am working in the CI Power team. I got opportunity to work with a USA client, so that is a really great opportunity for me. And 20 projects have been completed of design skill champion, and now I am a design skill champion. So in starting, even it was really difficult, but what the thing is that lesson. The lesson is break all the bullshit beliefs and start taking action. Now type it down in the chat box. Who is going to take action? Type it down A in the chat box. Are you going to break your bullshit beliefs and start taking action today? Type it down A in the chat box. A, awesome. Revati, Om Pandey, awesome. Thank you so much for taking action. This is a reminder for you all to take your action. Thank you so much for being here and engaging with me. Thank you so much.